Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Park the vehicle on level ground, set the parking brake, and disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent airbag faults and electrical shorts while you work. Gather the tools: Torx T20 and T30 drivers, a 10mm socket, a plastic trim removal tool, a small flathead screwdriver, and a soft rag or painter's tape to protect finishes. Work with the window fully up, gloves on, and good lighting. This reduces stress on clips and avoids accidental damage to leather, plastic, or wiring harnesses while you remove the door panel. Start by prying off the small plastic cover behind the interior door handle and remove the Torx T20 screw beneath it. Next, lift the armrest trim to access and remove the 10mm nut that secures the pull handle. Then locate and remove two Torx T30 screws near the lower edge of the panel. Insert a plastic trim tool between panel and door and carefully release the approximately 12 push clips by working from bottom to top, flexing the panel outward to avoid breaking plastic clips or scratching paint. Once clips are released, lift the panel upward about 3.5 inches to clear the upper retaining lip and pull it clear of the door. Support the panel as you reach behind to disconnect wiring connectors for window switches, mirror controls, and speaker. Unclip the water barrier and note any foam or adhesive locations before fully removing the panel. To reinstall, reconnect all wiring, align the upper lip, press the push clips until they engage, tighten the Torx and 10mm fasteners, replace trim covers, and reconnect the negative battery terminal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.